What's going on, everybody? The Creator BX7 Wash has a bigger brother, and that is the Creator BX12 Wash. This is 12 by 40 watt red, green, blue, white diodes. It has zoom capabilities to create a narrower beam and rotate capabilities to create that new age disco ball effect. As you can see here, it is fully pixel mappable on those 12 LEDs. And it's very feature rich with auto programs, sound active programs, and full DMX control, not to mention that signature Creator halo ring that syncs across all your Creator series fixtures, including the BX7 Wash. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get up and running with the Creator BX12 Wash and how to take advantage of all of its great features. So let's get into it.
The Creator BX12 Wash combines wash, beam, pixel effects, and the signature Creator halo all into one powerful fixture. Let's start by going over some of the key features of the Creator BX12 Wash. The main output consists of 12 40-watt red, green, blue, and white cob LEDs. This provides for extremely smooth color mixing. This is surrounded by the halo ring, which visually syncs with other Creator series fixtures for a uniform extra layer of lighting control. The fixture's medium size and bright output makes it perfect for small to medium-sized nightclubs, bars, and venues. The color temperature control 2800K to 8500K is available for those needing to find that perfect shade of white. The BX12 is more than just a wash light. The built-in zoom transforms the 25-degree wash into a 5-degree beam. The lens has built-in rotation for that new age disco ball effect. This effect is amplified even further when combined with pixel mapping capabilities. For those that are limited on DMX channels and do not want to program pixels themselves, there are many pre-built pixel effects available that you can take advantage of. For mounting, the BX12 features two quick-release brackets for added stability in vertical, inverted, and horizontal positions. There are a few key ways to control the BX12: DMX, auto programs, sound active, and manual mode. Starting with DMX, there are two channel configurations. 25-channel mode gives you access to everything you need, including RGBW color mixing, pre-built pixel effects, zoom, lens rotate, color temperature control, halo color mixing, and pre-built halo effects. For those that want full control, 73-channel mode provides individual RGBW control over each of the wash LEDs. To change the address and channel configuration, open the main menu and select Address. Here, you can set your DMX address and change channel configuration. Now let's check out the standalone features on the Creator BX12 Wash. Manual mode allows you to precisely dial in a single look, giving full control over pan, tilt, dimmer, zoom, and every other feature available on the light. Your settings are remembered between power cycles for easy recall. To clear your manual settings, go to the main menu, Reset, and set factory default reset to Yes. Alternatively, you can clear out individual manual settings. Auto mode. The BX12 comes with two available auto programs and a sound active mode. These are accessed via the main menu, Set, Run mode. Auto Program 1 is very high energy, lots of movement, constantly changing between pixel mode and wash mode. Great to get the party going. Auto Program 2 is the exact opposite. It deploys an extremely slow pan, tilt, and color wash fade. Perfect for when you just need to fill a space with consistent color and slow movement. Nothing too fancy. Changing to the final mode, Sound mode, this allows the fixture's program to react to music. To gain better control over sound and auto programs, try FrameSet. FrameSet is accessed in the same settings menu and is used to tell the light where to point. There are two options. FrameSet Forward keeps the light pointing forward and towards your dance floor, not the back wall, while FrameSet Up limits the tilt, keeping the light at a steeper angle, so when the fixture is placed on a podium, for example, the upward angle keeps it out of your audience's eyes. Lastly, let's talk about Fixture Calibration. There is a password-protected calibration menu. Please reference the manual for the password. Here, you can precisely calibrate starting pan and tilt positions, zoom, color mix, and much more. This menu is recommended only for advanced users.
That wraps up the Creator BX12 Wash. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Until next time.